When you first come into the apartment, you enter into the kitchen area, which is like this. Okay. I apologize in advance for the bad camera work. This is just a really quick shoot off my phone. So that's the door where you come in. And the kitchen window. So as you can see, lots of prep space and countertop space. We find that a lot of people, although there's a desk in here, they will sometimes end up doing their work on this kitchen breakfast bar because there's a lot of space here. So that's 8 feet of countertop space. And then here is the living room. We have a television there. I don't know if you can get a sense of it right now, but when you're sitting down, it is a nice screen size. It's a 46-inch TV, but we're going to be upgrading it shortly. And this couch here folds out into a pull-out if there's the odd guest who might come. Okay. And then continuing on to the area here. So this is a desk with a very nice, comfortable office chair. This is a $300 office chair. Very nice and comfortable. I actually got it when my office was closing down, and so we have some nice furniture. So we upgraded the wardrobe closets. So this is actually a lot nicer than what you see in the photos in our listing. And we upgraded the bed and the night tables as well. So we have a few different bedding sets that we rotate through. And so right now this is our Asian themed set. And then at the foot of the bed, there is a nice little sitting area. And their own laundry, so that they can do their laundry whenever they want. And then the bathroom. Oops. Okay. All right. So it's very nice, fully renovated, very nice space. And the towels we have here are of our Restoration Hardware. Very nice, thick, very fluffy, not paper thin towels. Sorry, it's a bit hard to capture the bathroom because it's a small room. But as you can tell, it's been fully renovated and nice and bright in here. And like I said, when people first come in, their first words always are, "It feels nice and homey in here." It's also quiet. Like I mentioned, there's excellent sound separation between the floors, and it's a very nice, cozy space. We've had everybody from vacationing families to executive guests who are in town for a short visit to do some work. And like I said, we have unlimited Wi-Fi, very reliable high-speed Wi-Fi. We've had a lot of guests here who are working and holding remote meetings with teams and whatnot, and so we have reliable Wi-Fi, which is important. We've heard from other guests that there are some hosts who have very cheap Wi-Fi packages that keep crapping out, but I'm proud to say that we've really tried to make this a home away from home where, if need be, someone can come here with just their clothing and their laptop and be able to settle in right away. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a shout. And just give a view of the living room.